Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today we're going to learn about prime numbers. So let me write the title. Okay, so first off, we're gonna say what is a prime number. Prime number. Let's say for example 2. A prime number can be divided into 1 or the number itself, which is 2. This is a prime number. Okay, now what are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. If any, I need you to link in the comment description below to see if how many prime numbers are there from 1 all the way to 100. Okay, so now here's a very important question. What is 6 a prime number? Let's see. 6 can be divided into 1, 2, 4. No, not 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, and itself. This is not a prime number. This is not a prime number. Why? Prime numbers can be only divided by 1 or the number itself. This is 1 with 2 with 3 and 6. So this is not a prime number. Now let's do a little bit of some math questions here. Now which number is prime? 10 or 20 or 35? These three big numbers are sure likely to be divided into many numbers. So let's start with this one first. This one can be divided by 1, 2, 5, and itself. This is not a prime number. How about this one? This can be divided into 1, 2, 4, 4, 10, or itself. This is also not a prime number. But what about 35? Is it a prime number? It can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 5, but what about 15? 15 surely cannot. 15, 30, so it doesn't reach to 35. At least it's 5 numbers behind it. So 35. Now are there other numbers can divide by? I'm not sure if there are any. So let me just say 1, 5, 35. This is not a prime number as well. Now you see these three numbers don't have, it's not prime numbers because they have a 1, but they cannot be, but they can be divided into such small numbers, not by themselves only. So these all are not prime numbers. Then what about 33? Is 33 a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. It can be divided by 1, 3, 11, 33. Now, we tried so many methods and we still couldn't get a prime number. Now, let's see. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If we have the odd numbers versus the even numbers. Now, let's start with 1. 1 can be divided by 1, so this is not really exactly a prime number. How about 2? It can be divided by 1 or itself, so this is really a prime number. I don't know. 1 is not really a prime number because it can only be divided by 1, but it can also be divided by itself. But I don't really think it's a prime number. Do you think it's a prime number? I say I just made a mistake. Sorry, I think 1 is a prime number. Really, it is a prime number. Sorry guys, I just made a mistake. Okay, now how about 3? Is 3 a prime number? 3, definitely. It can be divided by 1 and itself, so good. How about 4? 1, it can only be divided by 1, 2, and 4, so this is definitely not a prime number. Then 5, this can be divided by 1 or 5, so this is a prime number. Then how about 6? No, this can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, so this is not a prime number. Then how about 7? 7 is a prime number because it can't be divided by 2. It can't really be divided by 3. It can't really be divided by 4, 5, 6. So this is a prime number. Then how about 8? This can be divided by 1, 2, 4, and itself. So this is not a prime number. Then how about 9? Is it a prime number? Let's see. It can be divided by 1. It can't really be divided by 2. It can be divided by 3. It can't be divided by 4. It can't be divided by 6. It can't be divided by 6. It can't be divided by 7. So this can be divided by 8, but it can be divided by 7. So this is not a prime number. How about 0? 0 is definitely not a prime number because it's just an absent number. But now instead of 0, we put 10. Is 10 a prime number? No. It can be divided by 1, 2, 5, or 10. So this is not a prime number. Okay, so what have we learned today? We learned about prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those can be divided by itself, or the number. Can be divided by the number 1 or itself. Oops, sorry.
Question mark.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so what are we? So prime numbers are the ones that can be divided by itself. So example, as you can see here, these are the prime numbers. 1. They are 1. They are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, can you tell me more about this? Can you tell me more about all the prime numbers? I don't really understand if there are prime numbers in the world. Stuff. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. It's math time. I'll see you guys in the next video.